Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can make your TikTok account private. So you can hide your videos, hide your content, hide your information, and you will not allow other people to download your videos and use your videos. Let's download the TikTok app. First thing I want you to do is to click on the lower right corner at your profile icon. Then you want to go ahead and click on the upper right where you see the three straight lines. Then I want you to click on settings and privacy, guys. And right over here, you want to focus on the second option, which is privacy. Over here, guys, you have the option to click on the first setting, which is private account. With private account, only users you approve, meaning your current followers, will be able to see your content, your new updates, your stories. And essentially, you will create like a small circle of trust with your own friends. No one out of the public, anonymous strangers will be able to see your content, download your content, or comment on your content. For more videos like this, guys, subscribe and like this video.